Hi, my name is Lauris Staub and I'm a 3D artist and XR developer here in Vidzeme University. In this course, 3D modeling in Blender, you will learn how to create your own 3D models. And as the course name suggests, we'll be using the Blender software. The main goal of this course is for you to learn about the main concepts of 3D modeling and how to use them to create your own 3D models. You will learn about the main tools and best practices for creating them and, of course, the things to avoid. In the course, I covered the creation of the models themselves and then texturing and animating them, as well as some slightly more advanced techniques such as sculpting and retopology. While I may not go too in-depth for all of the topics, they will give you a good starting point and skills in each of them to develop further. Because 3D modeling is basically art, there isn't one specific way to do something, and each model is different. But what remains constant are the tools, and that is what I'm focusing on, teaching how they can be used to create various things. In this course, I focus on teaching by doing. That means that the lectures are mostly us working in Blender together, you following my steps while I explain the main concepts and actions. And if you run into any problems, we solve them. At the end of the course, you will be able to create your own 3D models that are made with correct techniques, textured and animated. As for where you can use these models, well, that's up to you. You can use them for many purposes. Some of them are games or VR, animated films, art or 3D printing. But for this course, I focus more on them being ready for use in video games and other real-time applications. Thanks, and see you in the lectures!
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about Vidzeme University of Applied Sciences, subscribe to our channel and look for more information in video description.